subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Motorola has launched its new rugged smartphone in partner with Bullet called Motorola Defy. Talking about the specifications, the Motorola Defy features a 6.5-inch HD Plus display with Corning Gorilla Glass vectors on the top for screen protection, and it has a water drop notch at the top center that carries an 8-megapixel selfie camera. The rugged rear panel of the phone supports a triple camera setup and a rectangular module at the top center, including LED flash and a fingerprint sensor equipped under the Motorola logo. The AAA camera includes a 48-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture plus 2-megapixel macro and 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. Under the hood, the Motorola Defy comes powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 chipset, paired with Adreno 610 GPU, and it packs with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage that is expandable via hybrid microSD card slot. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 10 out of the box, and it comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 20W turbo power charging. Additionally, the phone is IP68 certified for dust and fully waterproof up to 1.5 meters for 35 minutes of time, and it is military standard 810H compliant as well. The device can outstand temperature range from -25 degrees Celsius to +55 degrees Celsius, and it is also drop proof from up to 1.8 meters height as claimed by the company. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Motorola Defy is set to be available by next week across European and South American market at a price of €325 or $390, and it will be seen in black and green color options. So what do you guys think of this Motorola Defy smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.